Hello, stampers and fellow paper crafters. It's Cindy Lynn with my Inky Fingers. Thank you for joining me for this fantastic unboxing of Paper Pumpkin. First, I want to apologize. I did say I'd have this video up yesterday because my FedEx app said it was going to be delivered yesterday. However, it was not. It was just delivered right now, and it is 5:16 p.m. on Friday, so it's a day late, and FedEx was super late today. But without further ado, I did unwrap it because I wanted to wipe it down and then wash my hands. So I've wiped all this down and disinfected it and washed my hands. So nevertheless, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, you know what? This is my absolute favorite green. I mean, I love this pear pizzazz. This is so awesome. Well, you know, Granny Apple green, it's such a toss-up, but I love this green. So I'm so happy we got a pear pizzazz in there. And it looks like we have some ribbon. I'm not sure. It looks like Rococo Rose. Look at these stamps. Here, let me get a piece of paper. Okay, so we have, you know what? This is a tree, but I saw something totally different. Now I already know what I'm going to do for my alternative. That is so cool. But it says, Happy Mother's Day, Mom, Son, to my wonderful dad, daughter, sister. I'm glad you are my family, and Happy Mother's Day. So there's a tree, there's some cute little butterflies and a little sprig there. That sprig would be so cool with so many sentiments. So super, super cute stamp set. And then, oh, the reveal in color. Now, this is not shown in color because online it said that there are 4 in colors and purple posy that this coordinates with. I don't know if they're going to include all 4 in the May kit, but you will be able to see this in color in May. Demonstrators will be able to see this in color on the 24th, I believe. And we can order the new in colors on May, I believe it's May the 5th, but I could be wrong, nevertheless. So super, super excited about seeing the new colors. So the coordinating colors for next month are 4 of the new in colors and purple posy. So without further ado, all right, so we've got, oh, these look like the metallic pearls, but they're in, what are the colors here? Let's see, this looks like, kind of looks like Mango Melody. What do we got here? Crushed curry. So it's crushed curry, early espresso, melon mambo, mint macaroon, pear pizzazz, shaded spruce, and soft seafoam. So this one kind of looks like the soft seafoam a little bit. Could be mint, no, it's probably mint macaroon. And they're kind of pearlized. Let me show you. So they've got some pearlescent on them. Those are super, super cute. So the ribbon looks like they've got the ribbon behind one of the sentiments here. I don't like to look at this too much because I don't want to fog my mind when I'm doing, thinking of my alternatives. But for those of you that don't know, it does come with all kinds of inspiration and all of the directions to make everything that you see. And it looks like this month it's 12 cards with 12 coordinating envelopes. Now you will get some glue dots and some mini dimensionals, so that's really cool. Everything is in here that you're going to need. And you've got 4 envelopes with this green. The insides are blank. And then 4 envelopes with the darker green. So those will coordinate perfectly with your cards. And then it looks like there's some sentiments here. And I know a lot of times a lot of people get really frustrated and don't know what to put on the inside of their card. So this says, life's greatest blessings begin and end with family. It is in families that we learn to love, teach what is important, and grow together in love and laughter. Grateful for you, happy to be yours. So that would be great as a sentiment inside the card or outside the card. So it looks like, I haven't looked at this at all. So it looks like our cards are, oh, they've got some tri-folding cards. And you could probably fold that again if you wanted to. Or you could, I'm not sure how to use a tri-folding card, but it's a tri-folding card. I'm not sure how to use those. Does anybody know how to use those? I've never made a tri-folding card. But you could leave it like that as well, and you could trim off the bottom, or you could make another score, and then you could set it all so that it all sits up and whatnot. So I've got 4 of those, and then we've got some birds and butterflies. I'll pull out a butterfly, and I'll pull out a bird. These birds are super cute. They're nice and small. I'll show you guys there. Those are adorable. So there's lots of those. And then you've got your sentiment strips. So you've got a nice big one, and they've flagged your ends for you on this one. And then you've got a straight one in the crushed curry. This looks here like the soft sea foam. And then there's some more of these tri-fold card. Now this one makes more sense to me. See how that goes there? That makes more sense to me. This one, why is this one confusing me so? I guess you could just do it like that and then it'll open, but I would score it again and then fold it in, because this one's, I'm stumped. I don't know how to use those tri-fold cards. So here you've got some more. So there's 8 of those, right? 8. Okay, so it's not 12 cards, it's 8. 4 and 4 is 8, yes, and 8 envelopes. I'm sorry, I think I said 12. And then they've got some really cool sprigs here. You know, this is going to drive me nuts now with that tri-fold type card. Maybe it's not even called a tri-fold card. Tell me what it's called if you know in the comments below. Educate me. Help me out. So maybe I'll think of something cool to do with them with the alternative. I've already got a super cool alternative in mind. And you know what? As soon as this video goes up, I'm going to I've got another video scheduled ready to go. It's how I store my paper pumpkins, because I don't have room for all of these boxes, right? So I'll put a card up above for it, but that video is going to go live right after this one does. So there's your sprig, and these are kind of embossed. Can you guys see the embossing on there? That's kind of cool. And you could actually take a marker and just kind of put your marker trace along those just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Ink your edges up just to make them pop a little bit more. That would be super cool. So more of these little tags. There's a whole sheet of them. Let me move this one here. And then you've got your bigger ones. There's all kinds of tags for your sentiment. And then your trees. Now, quick tip here. When you take these trees out, and I'm trying to take 2 out because I've got 2 thick here. Let's take one away. When you take your trees out and you're all done, look at how dainty those are. Those are so pretty. When you're all done with this sheet, save this, because you have a stencil here. And if you wanted to trace it, or even if you just wanted to kind of use it as a guide on how to draw a tree, or you could ink it or whatnot, but save these here because these are stencils when you're all done, right? So super cool kit this month. I love the colors. I'm so super excited about this stamp set. I have got the best alternative in mind for this. I can't wait to get that together. I don't know if it'll get up tonight. I've got my dad for the weekend, and I kind of been neglecting him today doing lots of work stuff. But nevertheless, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to watch the How I Store My Paper Pumpkin, and keep an eye out because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers and I have a big announcement to make. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm 20 away. I would love your subscription to my channel. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.